That makes sense. And then you're also mentioning a bunch of different styles. How do I know what is going to impact the cost the most of my entire kitchen renovation?
Well, the cabinets, like we said, are going to be a large portion of the project itself. Okay, usually 50 or 60% of the project. So, and we've got different products in different price categories. You can do a white shaker, which is a very, very popular door. Obviously, we see a lot of white shaker in the market. You could do a white shaker in a stock line of cabinetry, or you could do a white shaker in a full custom line of cabinetry. So that same design might have a big price spread between the two of them. So it just depends on what your needs and wants are, and what you know, if you want cabinetry that's built like furniture, which we have a line that's, you know, like buying furniture. It's beautiful, beautiful stuff, and kind of a high-end furniture look. Or if your budget does not allow that and you need to step back, we've got some stock lines that do a lot of great stuff and have a lot of color availability and have some great door style availability and offer lifetime warranties still. So there's a lot of different product available, and that's what we can do. Depending on your budget, we can guide you through the right process.